Just heading back to the Yurt for the last time, having had a couple nights here at Llethrau Forest Retreats, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous place. Really lovely. A lot of time listening to nature, keeping that all important fire going to keep you warm night and day. It's amazing in the Yurt when you look up and you can see stars through the top. Makes you realise that when you're away from urban areas and street lights, light pollution, but how much you can actually see light after dark, even on a moonless night. It's pretty stunning. As you see, it's a really gorgeous place here at Llethrau. It certainly does lend itself to a sense of connection with nature, removal from a lot of the hassles and interruptions of daily life. I guess the main thing is they're being woken up by the cold and tending to the fire in the early hours. Tend to get about 3 to 4 hours out of the log burner before it's time to top it up again and keep it going. But it's well worth it. Alright, so thank you, Llethrau Forest Retreats. Hope to come back one day, perhaps. Really, really magnificent. Also need to add in, obviously the animal noises are quite notable here. Awakened by sheep baaing, like in 360 on the hills all the way around. And also the dawn chorus is pretty stunning. It really, let's go outside and marvel in it.